In this very short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can select some cases in SPSS. I'm going to put the link down below to this data set so you can download it and to practice by yourself along with this tutorial you want. In some situation, you might just want to select a certain gender. So for instance, in this there's a gender variable, yes, and you click the variable view and you can see that the 0 means male, 1 means female. So for instance, you might just want to select the female participant, yes. So what you can do here is that you can click the data and click the select cases, and then actually by default it go to all cases, and what you can do is that you click here if the condition is satisfied and click the if. So I just did some practice earlier, but let me just clean everything. So that's what the interface you see, and then you remember that what we're going to do is that we're going to only select the female participant. So what you can do is that you click the variable gender and click this arrow button and then click the equal, and then you can click the 1. So what it means that we're going to select the gender equal 1. That means that we're going to select a female participant in our following analysis. After this, you can click continue and click OK. What you're going to see is that the row that gender equals 0 will got crossed. That means that in the following data analysis, they are going to only select the female participant, namely the 1 here. Further, you can also see that there's a new column of data here called filter dash dollar. That means that if 1 means that the data is got selected, but 0 is not selected. Okay, it might be a bit confusing because the gender use the 1 and 0 in the coding, but the filter also 1 and 0. But there's slightly different meaning. So for instance, you select the male participant, then the 1 and 0 here will be reversed. Also, you're going to see that at the bottom, the bottom right side or the bottom, you can see the filter on. That means that in the following data analysis, it will not use all the data. You only use the selected ones. So what you can do is that you can do some analysis. For instance, we can calculate the mean, yes, of the female participant. For instance, we can click the analyze and then descriptive statistic and descriptive, and we're going to just we're going to calculate the female participant's age. Yes, you can click the age and click here, and then I think that's it. Just click OK. So as you can see that here there are 179 participants in this data analysis, but actually in total we have for instance, we have 218 in total actually. This mean, the age mean, it doesn't include all the data. It only includes the female participants. So that you get the basic idea. Here we remember that here we only select the data based on one variable, yes. In some situation, you might say that you want to also remember that this column is called marriage status. So, and then to see the meaning, it means that 1 means married person. So let's just focus on that. For instance, you can imagine that we can want to select the female at the same time they are married to see their age, yes. So how can we do that? We can go back to the data and then we're going to select the cases and then click here again. So what you can do here is that you can add another condition called M, and then you will say that click this and then click here, and then you also click equal 1. Then you add another condition here. let's see. I think it should be working. Okay, and then click the continue and click OK. So we do not see much change here, but when you got to the tool, you can see that all the one basically is the same as earlier. It has only closed the male one participants. But when you get to the marriage data equal 2 or 3, all these cases, 2 or 3, all the cases got crossed. So, and also you can see that in the filter newly created variable, you can see that when it got to the marriage status 2 or 3, yes, you can see that like this is all 2. Yes, you can see that all of them are 0. Yes, that means that these cases are not included in the following data analysis. So we can also verify to calculate the mean to see if there's any differences. So you can click analyze descriptive, and then you can click the descriptive, and then now just click again. Yes, same as. So now you can see that there's only like 113 cases in the data analysis. So it kind of the number of cases in the analysis got reduced. So I think that's it for to calculate how to select the cases in SPSS.